G'day guys, Matty from FOURBIE Sessions Australia. Teamed up with Central Coast 4x4 in the outdoor at West Gosford, and we've got a new surprise coming for the VT. Been talking to Jacob, we've got the all new X Bar coming for the back. Now everyone's been blowing up saying that I've got Mr. Plough on the back of it, so I've sorted it out. So anyone wants to come down, get tow bar or anything to do with Ironman actually, because they are the Ironman dealer, come down, say Matty spoke to you, see Jacob.
We'll look after you.
And he'll sort you out. Anyway, let's get this bar on. So, first things first, let me put my safety boots on. All about safety. So I've bought an X Bar. Now these bars, everyone's probably seen them around. They are an absolutely epic looking bar. Got the recovery points and everything, so we're going to chuck that on. We're removing the tag tow bar. So tag do ones that come straight off the chassis. I have no idea why the boys didn't send me one. I sent them emails all week about it. This came, so I've just had to put up with it for the meantime. But today is the day. So let's get stuck into it. So one of the biggest things I'm going to gain from this change is my departure angle. So we know exactly how much we're going to gain. Let's chuck a measuring tape on it. $510. Oh, 505. 505. So 505 mil from the bottom bar to the ground. So let's see what we gain. Okay, old bar off. What do you get in the kit? So, your wiring harness, don't need that. Already got one. Do get a drop down hitch with it. Now it looks pretty good, but I think we're going to need a better one. So, don't want that. Got your recovery hooks, sticker, stuff for the tow bar. Instructions, which is awesome, and the bar itself. Now this is how cool this bar is. It comes with a bash plate. Now I have to work out how it goes on, but that's pretty cool. So anyway, let's get stuck into it and start reading some instructions. Put the wings on either side first, using the zinc bolts. Make sure you leave them loose, dead set. I found out the hard way, as you'll see. Like normal, this part says you need 2 people. Well, it's just me, so try and put it on the jack and see if we can work it out. See what happens. This is what I mean by leaving those wings loose, so you can fit the bar up between. I'd be lying if I didn't say this thing weighs a ton. Okay, nearly there. So bar's all on. I'm actually going to do something different this time and torque the bolts up, which, yeah, that's very unlike me. So we'll torque them up and then we'll get on the next bit. Plates all on, plugs are all in. I had to do mine a little different because I've got this cover on my Anderson, but they're all in, so they're all nice and neat. Put the center hook in and we should be good. Wow, how good does that look? Now, moment of truth. How much has it gained? Let's have a quick look. $504 before. Now we went off that back bar, but we're going to go from here. So to the bar it's 710. 710. The lowest point is still 580. So even the lowest point, which is not what we went off on the last bar, we've still gained nearly 100 mil. From the top, we've gained over 200 mil. So absolutely unbelievable. All right, it's time to go test it. Plus, still got to get this hitch. So let's get onto it. Just on my way up, finish off this tow bar, like the final piece. Yes, as I said, comes with a tow ball. All well and good. But the adjustable one's that much better. So, go and see my good mates. Let's check them out. Here it is, guys. Lovell Special Products. Got their adjustable hitch in. This hitch is rated for 5.5 ton. It is so solid. The bar in the back of the ear is going to break before this thing breaks. It's absolutely unreal. Get it home. I'm going to set it up for the van so the van will be towing sweet. But what an awesome bit of kit to finish off this bar. There you have it, guys. X Bar is all on. Absolutely stoked. You guys were telling me get rid of that other bar. Finally done it, and I couldn't be happier. Got all the recovery points on the back. Went on in, I think I did it in like 2 hours, so super happy. And finishes off the car pretty nice. Anyway, guys, I'll bring you more videos the more I keep doing. Have a good one.